Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys, talking a little bit about some dog and me. So let's go ahead and set the scene before we do that real quick. Looking at the Bitcoin price is at 105. Ethereum is at 2,500. Looking to go up to 26 just a little moment, hopefully. We're looking at some fear and greed. So right there in the middle at neutral, market cap is at 3.25 trillion. Let's see what's up with the Bitcoin dominance at 63.4%. Ethereum at 9.4%. We have the others at 27.2%. Okay, so let's go ahead and start looking at some dog and me. Hopefully, we can make this very to the point. And so let's go ahead and look at it. Today, we see that dog and me is down just a little bit at 1%. Now, let's take a look at the 7-day. Notice it's down 17%. I want you to also look at this market cap. Notice right here we have a market cap of 44 million. Very, very small market cap compared to many coins. Just a little bit of a heads up here. A lot of times with meme coins, they take off and then the small market caps become much larger. So remember, Dog and Me is only about a year old, a little bit more than a year old. So it hasn't been out very long. Also, it's now listed on Coinbase. Let's look at the markets real quick. I think I'm just going to jump right into that. So it's on Uniswap and it's on Coinbase. Got listed on Coinbase just a few months ago, so it's kind of new. Drone Finance is listed on as well. Mexi, we got Gate, a few other as well. So just a heads up on exactly what we're dealing with in this particular case. Now, let me go back to the charts a little bit if I can. See what else I got here. I'm gonna take that away. Yes, trying to work on my artwork, guys. So bear with me. But anyways, just a little heads up on that. Let's see what's going on for the month. For the month, we see that Dog and Me is up 32%. Gives us a lot of positive vibes here as far as the momentum. Understanding that we have something that is going up and it's already been up. Let's see, 52% over the year. So listen, Dog and Me is not as popular as like a Doge or a Shiba Inu or something of that nature. But as word gets around week by week and month by month, Dog and Me gets a little bit more popular and a little bit more popular. So it's going to build. So keep that in mind. Also, this is the main dog, quote, dog coin on base that's been brought to our attention as well. So just a thought on that. Let's go ahead and look. This is the Twitter site for Dog and Me, the X site, you know what I mean? So automatically we see what's happening here. Full trading mode is now enabled. I think that looks like it was April the 2nd. So what is this? April, May, June, pretty much like not very long at all, guys. We only got like that very, very limited amount of time that it's been on Coinbase. Just to give you a heads up, and I know it went up at one point and it kind of cooled off, but once you get that exposure, sometimes it takes a little while for it to really catch up. So right here, they're talking about Dog and Me and KeyCat. We may talk about that later, but I think Dog and Me is the one that's a little bit more popular as far as like in the minds of people. So just a heads up on that. This is a nice website giving us a lot of artwork, a lot of nice little things concerning, what can I say, concerning Dog and Me. Here's a nice little giveaway as far as like Fuxeria. They do a lot of meme coins and they do a lot of characters and, you know, so just a heads up on that. You can play your favorite character in certain games as far as Fuxeria. So it's pretty cool to be able to play your own character in that game, so to speak. Now let's go to the Dog and Me website just for a moment. You see this dog looks like he means business, okay? So talking about the exchange, you got the Dog and You. It's a very small site as far as like there's not a lot on the site, but that's pretty much okay because right now all we're doing is looking for this thing to move forward. We got the Doginme tokens, got the stealth launch deployed. What's this on base 2? Token contract is immutable. The LP burn, we got zero taxes. Got a lot of positive things that are going on with Doginme. Let's go ahead and look at this information about Doginme as well. So it says from a community-driven crypto on base L2. You say base L2, we're talking about Aerodrome, we're talking about base, etc. Let's go ahead and look a little bit. Lighthearted moment when Farcaster founder Dan Romero was asked if he had a dog. He simply replied, so yes, I became the foundation of a meme that quickly spread across the crypto community. The phrase "got that dog in you" is commonly used online to describe resilience and inner strength. So this is what we're dealing with Doginme. I'm just going to read this a little bit and then wrap it up on this particular page. It says Doginme is more than just another meme token. It implies a sense of self-belief and community strength. When the phrase "got that dog in you" took off, it resonated with crypto traders and enthusiasts who view resilience as a key trait in both life and trading. Yes, you got to have some dog in you if you're going to be out here trading, and if you're going to be dealing with how can I say all of these different crypto waves that we deal with day by day. Remember that nothing we say on the channel is financial advice, but at the same time, what we ask you to do, if you like what you see today, just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and look a little further, talking about the best meme coins to invest in now. This was from a few days ago, and one of those, of course, is Doginme. So let's go down to the Doginme section real quick. Won't want to spend too much time. We're going to wrap this thing up. Let's see. Doginme is becoming a standout pick amongst the best meme coins to invest in now. So just a heads up on that. Let's see. That's talking more of the same what we already said. Let's go to the bottom part. All right, here we go. Despite no recent headline news, investor sentiment appears confident. So that's one thing we can understand. Traders are intrigued by both the message and the momentum behind Doginme. Even more impressive, the token skyrocketed over the past year. It's kind of a long-term strength combined with its niche identity positions Doginme as a powerful choice for growth-minded meme coin hunters. So in my opinion, at that small market cap, at what's like 40 million, all we got to do is get this thing to, how can I say, multiply times 25, and we would be right at $1 billion market cap. So Doginme, in my personal opinion, I do like the phrase, and I do like what I see with Doginme. I really feel like this thing is going to be on the way up. I feel like this is a great time to invest in Doginme. Like I said, nothing we say is financial advice, but I will say this much. I don't mind getting a little Doginme and expecting this thing to at least, 25x, if nothing more. But like I said, nothing we say is financial advice, but at the same time, I like our chances with this guy. I really like the theme. I really like the feeling the coin gives as far as that's concerned. I also like the tokenomics. If you notice right here, the total supply, we got in this spot. Let me see if I can just take that away for a moment. Here's the total supply down here. And what is that, 67? What is that, 67.6% divided by, what's this, 69? Let's see. We're almost at 100 as far as the liquidation is concerned. Looks pretty doggone good. Let me see what I got here. I don't know, I'm just feeling it. Let me just type that in my calculator. 67.6 divided by 69. Oh, wow. We're looking at about 98% already as far as being diluted. So there is no inflation here, guys. No inflation. In other words, when this sucker gets ready to take off and there's actually some demand for the coin, I think we're going to be in good shape for Doginme. But anyways, what say you? I want you to leave some comments on this one. And if you never dealt with Doginme, you can look at it a little bit. But I want to see some comments. Give me your opinions on Doginme. I'm liking it. I want to see do you like it. If you like it, tell me why. If you don't, tell me why. Either way, leave some comments in the chat, and we'll talk with you soon. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.